Hello everyone, is your Windows PC showing a blue screen error frequent? Try this fix. First press Windows plus R. The run window will open. Now type msdt.exe device diagnostic, then press enter. The Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter will open. Click Advanced, check Apply Repairs automatically. Then click Next. Windows will now scan your computer for hardware problems. If you see Apply this fix, click it. Wait for the troubleshooting process to finish. If Windows asks you to restart your PC, click Next Device Install Settings screen. Click Enable to enable checking automatically. Please wait, your device is detecting additional problems. Troubleshooting has completed. Founded problems listed here. Did we fix your problems? Click Yes button, close the troubleshooter and restart your PC. This can automatically detect and fix common Windows hardware and system issues that may be causing blue screen errors.